Today we'll show you how easy it is to remove the plastic screen protector that comes standard on the Samsung Galaxy S10, and then apply cellhelmet Liquid Glass Pro Plus. First, we'll set up the ultrasonic fingerprint reader. Next, let's remove the standard screen protector. As you can see, the thin plastic can easily be removed from the screen. Now that the screen protector is removed, let's apply cellhelmet Liquid Glass Pro Plus. Start by dropping the liquid onto the glass, and then wipe it smoothly across the entire screen. Begin buffing the screen and wiping it clean. Liquid glass is easy to apply, and unlike the plastic screen protector, it strengthens the glass on a molecular level. The liquid glass dries invisible, and as you can see, works seamlessly with the S10's ultrasonic fingerprint reader. If you're looking for stronger protection for the Galaxy S10 that works with the ultrasonic fingerprint reader, as well as comes backed with a $300 screen repair guarantee, then cellhelmet Liquid Glass Pro Plus is the best choice in screen protection.